right, as you guys can see, the car has not looked like this in a very, very long time. So I'm gonna go inside, show you guys the body kit real quick. Here we go. We got the rear fenders right here. Got the front fenders right here.
We got the driver right there.
Got the driver and mechanic all in one right here. Hello, can I help you? Ooh. So we got the front on right here. It's obviously just kind of slapped on, but okay, so it would go under right like this. Yeah, so. All right guys, kit's installed, video's over. A little nub here we got from the old mud flap that we got to get rid of, but the wheel's in the way, so we don't have enough room for a screwdriver. Obviously needs some trimming. It needs some holes, pilot holes and holes to mount up to the fender here. Like Ethan said, I need some new side skirts, so I'm probably gonna order the maybe carbon. I would like the feed carbon ones, but they're, you know, not cheap. Ooh, this has been sitting outside for I think almost like a year now, so it's been a while. All right guys, we actually have a sponsor for today's video. Ansel sent me their Pt.6 spark plug tester, so let me get to unboxing. All right, so inside the box, pretty simple. There's the power cable and the tester itself. All right guys, so after reading the instructions, you actually have to push the spark plug all the way in, like that. Then you can cover the case so there's no external combustion. Another cool feature of the Pt.6 spark plug tester is actually has 2 ports, so you can test 2 at the same time, whether you want to be more efficient or if you have a verifiably good spark plug and a bad spark plug. Get them both in there. As you can see, they're both working perfectly as they should because they're brand new. Remove the cover and then you can pull them right out. Yeah, so honestly, this is a really great tool if you don't know if your spark plug works or you're getting used spark plugs for some reason. For whatever reason you need to test your spark plugs, this is a super good tool. If you guys want, I'll put the link in the description down below. I think it's like 20-25 bucks. So yeah, thanks again to Ansel for sponsoring this video. Guys, we've already ran into our first issue. I'm hella sunk now. The fitment's off. We got to take the kit off. We got to go back. We got to go bald.
I think the feed FD is on Advent GTs.
Oh, those are like low-key like 4 bands though.
32. This.
Oh. Yeah, those might be too much money.
I need a wrench.
Oh, low wrench. All right, we got only the right side. So we're only looking at the right side. We got the RE hood on, RE style from Sabon. Obviously not the real one because I don't have that kind of money. But yeah, now we're mocking the. Oh, I don't know where the bumper's gonna go though.
We'll just do the one hole. There we go. Then I mean.
Ooh, looks a little doofy because it's got no like arrow, or like lips, but hey, this lines up pretty good. All right, guys, we're going outside to observe the 2 other wide body cars at our house to see if I want riv nuts or rivets.
As you can see, there's barely any cars here.
Yeah, we don't have any cars here.
So riv nuts and these little Allen heads, these are both drift cars. So you kind of want to be able to have the kit be removable for any number of reasons. So they're riv nutted with the bolts, which makes it nicer because you can remove it. But the problem is that they're bigger. I mean, I don't mind the look, especially on a drift car like this. But rivets are much, much smaller and more like flush.
RB suck. Did you write that?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call my insurance on you.
It's kind of crazy. Do that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh wait. Maybe we don't buy the car.
Yeah. All right, guys, we gotta now take off the wheel because we don't want to slice through the tire. That would be bad. All right, guys, we got the foreskin removed, the outer fender. Now Ethan's gonna chop it off, do a little circumcision here. All right, guys, $50 RX7 fender. I know what I have. I think our neighbors love us. We're now adjusting the fender very lightly to make sure we have clearance.
This is how you roll your fenders. This is what V Rachel does. He just doesn't show it.
Let us know if you guys need a professional fender rolling services. Tap in.
Hit me up if you want to roll your Lambo or your McLaren.
All right, guys, we have officially cut out half the quarter panel. We're now in 1/8 panel. So Ethan's getting the flat disc right now so we can make all of this smooth. And then we're gonna put the seam sealer in and we can fill all these gaps, but it's looking pretty clean, man. There's a couple gaps obviously that we're gonna fill with the seam sealer, but dude, it's pretty lined up. I think we're ready to join RWB. I think this is our
Application.
This is our application to Nakai-san. I think we should pass.
Yeah.
No, but me and Ethan went to go get some caulk from Home Depot. All right, guys, so we got the over fender on. We got it all taped up, mocked up. Now we're gonna drill some pilot holes, and then yeah, we're gonna grab the rivet gun and rivet this thing in permanently. Once the rivets are in, the over fender is not coming out, so we gotta make sure it's completely lined up. I made sure the only places that really matter are like here to me, and then near the tail light. So I want this all to match up with the bumper and tail light, which it looks like it does. So we're ready to send. Got to drill into the quarter.
Yep. Totaled.
I think I messed up.
Okay. Oopsies.
It's in there.
Yep. Now go in, make sure it resets, squeeze it again, it should break. Nice.
All right, guys, we got all the rivets in. We even added our own custom ones underneath here, and even in the inner fender right here. Dude, this thing is, it's not moving. It is, there's absolutely zero wiggle room. It is like solid.
Open it. Open it more, open it more. Open.
Reviews from the Widebody boys. Oh, you're naked, sorry.
You just have no explanation why it looks
Good?
The VZ approved.
Hell yeah.
Devin's here to inspect.
Ah. All right, guys, we have completed the work for today. It is everyone approved. We obviously might have to shave this fender down because it's hitting the door a little bit, but that's a problem for later. All right, guys, it's day 2 of doing the body work on the RX7.
Day 2 of more unpaid labor.
Yeah, pretty much. You brought the hammer, sledgehammer, regular hammer. 2 things you don't typically bring when body working a car, but
I only do body work with sledgehammers.
it's just more efficient.
Yeah. Faster.
I literally have to stand over here because there's so much Bondo in the damn quarter. Holy, that's all Bondo?
Yeah.
Bro.
You see all the dust? Metal doesn't dust white.
Yeah. It's just a special type of metal we used on the left fender here.
It's extra strong.
All right, guys, this is the right side fender. As you can see, there's literally, it's pretty clean, hasn't been body worked. This side has a ton of these little spot welds, which basically...
These spot welds are different because there's spot welds that connect the outer to the inner, which are like these ones, which you can see like right there. That's normal. These ones, see, they're all kind of random, and on the other side, that's just paint. So this whole quarter was probably bashed in, and this is where they weld little studs and then use a slide hammer to pull it out.
To make the metal more straight.
But this is a lot of Bondo. Like I'm chipping this there. Like look at this.
Yeah,
this
is probably a pretty bad accident.
Yeah,
Previous owner, man. It actually wasn't me. This actually was not me. It was body work before me. It was already salvage title before I had it.
A little chunk of Bondi right here.
Dude, that's an insane amount of Bondo. Jesus Christ. Guys, this pro body working tip, you could cut the spot welds, or you can use the old spaghetti method. It looks like spaghetti when you're like, you know, rolling it up. Once again, this was probably done in the 90s, early 2000s when this car was worth literally like less than $10,000. We can still use the sealer to fill in the gaps and seal the fender. Hey guys, I just rubbed the sealant all over it. I think I got some in my hair. I laid down a nice little bead, got all the seals sealed, and yeah, now we can put the over fender on. Dude, it's gonna be way wider now. Yeah, it's transforming the car. It is looking way more mean. Things are wide, man. But yeah, we got this one lined up. It's just missing the gas cap, so if anyone's like gonna say in the comments, oh, it's got like a gap, there's gonna be a gas cap right there, obviously. And dude, yeah, this thing's whole inch wider.
2 inches wide.
2? Oh yeah. It's true, diameter. But now I figure out what to do with these KFs, because yeah, I'm gonna have to probably not re-barrel them, but probably re-lip them, because they're not aggressive. They were aggressive on the stock body, but now they're just gonna be like almost sunk on the wide body. So all right guys, close off the video. Got the wide body kit on. Everything fits pretty well. Gonna send it off to paint, and the person that's painting it is private, so I can't disclose his name, but he does very good paint work, and he's also going to be doing some of the body work and also aligning a lot of the panels. So how it looks right now is just how it's mocked up, but after it comes back, it'll be all painted and nice. I was debating on whether I should paint the hood or not, but I think we're gonna paint it, but then leave the vents carbon. I think that'll be pretty cool. Yeah, then the drivetrain has to go in, and all of this stuff has to be painted. That's another thing. That carpet over there has to be painted. I don't know.
Thank God it doesn't rain here.
Yeah, it hasn't rained yet, so we're good. But I need to get my ass in gear before it starts raining, because that carpet will 100% get ruined. Man, there's a lot of stuff that has to be done. This car needs another $10,000+ into it. Yeah, it's currently missing some stuff in it, so yeah, kind of do be missing. We ain't got no motor yet, so.
Is this not where you guys want to keep your 13Bs?
Still runs though, I think. I hope.
You gotta say for yourself about that.
We'll see. Hopefully it runs. Guys, it's been a long process, I'm not gonna lie. It's also been really expensive. Bit of a pickle right now, because I don't like I'm dealing with like a lot of legal stuff, trying to get my super back from Surge, because I haven't heard back from him in 3 weeks, so that's been costing a lot of money. He also has a lot of my money and a lot of my parts, so trying to deal with that. And then also this project, it's a lot of stuff going on. So, but yeah, we're gonna try to get this out for paint in the next like week or two, and yeah, then hopefully it should be back after you know, a couple weeks, maybe a month from the paint. Yo, what is going on, guys? If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. As you guys saw, we got the RX7 wide body on and the hood mounted, so everything's pretty much lined up, ready to go off to paint. I did some calculations on how much it's gonna cost to finish the RX7, and we're about to be like 10, 15 banderoonies more deep. So if you guys see me doing some sponsorships, which I have been on the past couple videos, just helps me give me that extra cash so I can start throwing money at this RX7 project, because currently Surge has all my money. I've had no contact from him in the past 3 weeks, and it's irking me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not even irked. I'm mad at this point. So yeah, it's looking like lawsuit pending. I've never had to sue anyone in my life except for him. But yeah, that kind of just shows the severity of the situation. So it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lose my hair over it, but he does have a lot of my money. He has around $80,000 in assets from me, and I haven't heard a word from him. So I'm really nice. Like, I am so forgiving until you rob me. Then I will get mean, and I will get a little bit angry. But yeah, anyways, once again, guys, thank you so much for seeing the end of the video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. Ooh, also, we still do have merch available, so if you guys want, I'll put the link in the description down below. Okay, now, peace.